Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I have my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share for October. So happy October to you all if you're celebrating anything autumnal or Halloween. Hopefully this kit will inspire you. So I have all of my stuff in here, pretty much all my stuff in here from my collections from years past, from Halloween, autumn, fall, all the things. So I thought I'd go through a little bit of this today and explain to you guys sort of what my plans are for October and see if we have any related items or hear things you guys want to see in the comments down below. But make sure as always to check out every other How to Kill a Kit with Style participant link down below. They always do their kit shares at the beginning of the month. And of course we do our fun end of month wrap-ups as well. So make sure you go check everyone out. We got some new people, we got some old favorites. We're always swapping out different people, so definitely check it out and make sure you tune into their videos and subscribe if you haven't to them already. And of course, I'll have my blog post with all of the products linked down below in case you guys are interested, because sometimes you just need one of the products you see, and some of this stuff is older so it won't be able to be found anymore, but hopefully some of the newer stuff from last year and things I'll be able to link for you guys. But let's dive in. So this is part of my bucket system. I have Halloween in my buckets and I have Christmas in these buckets. And this is an old brand of storage units that Joann's used to carry from Jessware, so I'm sure they're not as easy to find now, but I have tons of stuff like little goodie treats and bags to add to things. So some cute fall things. I think these are adorable for a pumpkin picking page. You can even fussy cut some of these out. If you guys are not watching Laura Alberts, she does a ton of fussy cutting and clustering right now, so definitely check her out. Some old October afternoon witch hazel miscellany collection, so you get a little bit of ephemera, some borders and phrases, some buttons. This was a good kit that I got in a grab bag one time and I've been hoarding it ever since, so I'd love to use some of that. And of course I used to do a ton, and I mean a ton, of swaps. So this cute little book here is from my friend Jana and it has goodies still in it, but I think what I might try to do is remove some of these goodie pouches and replace them with photos, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. It's like she made an album for me full of goodies and then I could take them apart and use them as I wish. So as you can see here, I have done a whole unboxing of it so you can see what everything's in the bags, and of course ephemera in the back. It's just so cute. And I actually used this little booklet as decorations too, so this on a bookshelf or standing up like near my TV is so perfect. And I believe this is one of those little Tim Holtz albums, which I always overlooked because I hated the front of them, but she just decorated the front, so amazing. Love what she does and what she sends to me. Of course, we have the washi tapes. These are some sets from Michael's of years past. I always like buying themed washi tape at the end of a holiday so I don't get enticed by full priced items, but I know some of the collection kits this year have amazing washi tape in them, but these are some of my tried and true favorites. Love the spiderweb and the bats. So those are two of the classics. And then continuing on, we do have a ton in here, so I don't want to spend all my time going through here, but I'm going to start ruffling through it and showing you guys stuff, and while I talk about my October plans. Now, a lot of people are doing October daily this year, which totally is not my thing. So while I won't be doing October daily, I will probably be doing a lot of October themed projects. For example, I love sending Halloween cards, so that's something I want to do this year, is send Halloween cards. And as many of you guys know, I did actually have a Halloween costume last year for my work's virtual Halloween celebration, so I need to scrapbook those photos still. And then I also have photos from the previous year before that. Oops, this little guy fell off here. Let me put him back somewhere. And then I also have different photos from when I went to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party that I still need to scrapbook. So what I think I'm going to do is use some of these awesome things that Jana sent me. So she sent me like little bags like this that are from the Boo to You and Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party collection from Simple Stories. This one holds wood veneer. But I think I want to make a little mini album for those just so I can focus on using the Halloween product, then slapping in the photos later. I think that's going to be my action plan. Here I have a washi tape booklet and a sticker booklet. But if you guys have not been to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, this year they're not having the same thing. They're actually doing what's called Boo Bash, which super cute. I know a lot of people are like hit or miss with it, but tons of Halloween products to use. So I'd like to start using them on some bigger projects like a mini album. So let me know if you guys have any ideas. I think I want to do a 6x8, but maybe I'll do a freestanding one instead and just get some binder rings. If you guys would be interested in seeing sort of a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments down below. These are one of the favorite things I found last year or the year before, which was these adorable puffy stickers at Target. I don't remember the brand on them, but they're in the greeting card aisle, and I know they do repeat stuff sometimes, so I don't think they're by Hallmark, but you know they have those like little greeting section stickers to like seal your envelopes and stuff. Love those. Got a lot of dimensional embellishments as well. And again, I just want to start using some of this stuff, and a mini album lets me do that without being worried about thickness. So I can use the big googly eyes and the puffies and these little spiders and just have fun with it. So I think that's my plan. Again, lots of fun dimensional pieces. I also have this mini album that I can fill with some little like almost Polaroid style pictures. So maybe that's something I work on this year, or maybe things I love about fall. I could do like a cute little holiday one, or love about Halloween rather, because of this. And of course, if you guys are not following me over on Instagram, I did just recently go to Halloween Horror Nights here in Orlando, so I have those photos to Scrapbook as well. Those are a little bit more like scary, not so cutesy, so the complete opposite of what we have from Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, but I would love to scrapbook those as well with all of these Halloween goodies. But let me know in the comments down below if you're a big fan of fall or Halloween. I have a ton of Halloween stuff rather than fall stuff, but I do have some fall stuff. It is kind of mixed in with my other stash sometimes because some fall patterns are just simply just beautiful colors, and that's kind of where they stay. But as you can see, I have a ton of pocket letters from my friend Jana, which I always keep. And these are actually really great decorations too. So if you have like wall art, you can just slip one of these into your frames for the month and then swap them out for the holiday seasons. But lots of goodies in there. And then as for paper, I have a couple paper stacks from, let's see, are these 2019? Okay, so these are 2019 papers. So this is embossed cardstock. This one's a cute little pattern, and then I have it in 8x8 as well, so this is slightly different but from the same collection, so we love that. And then I do have a couple little baggies. Again, love these. This one's actually already done. Isn't that crazy? And then there's this one, so I have those, a Rogue Wood veneer, and then I do have some 12x12 paper, not too much, but a little bit. So we have these ones, which I have no idea where they're from. I believe some of these were from the paper pads. I ended up getting rid of my Halloween paper pad and donating that, but I did keep a couple of the patterns from it because it was just, a couple of them were my style, most of them were not. So that's where these are all from. But I do have a couple 12x12s. And what's nice about Halloween is sometimes it's just about getting a colored paper in the Halloween category family. So if you have red in your photos, bringing in the red, and then dumping in the Halloween embellishments. So that is truly my plan. So this is a majority of my Halloween stuff. I did get a couple things last year on clearance as well, but they actually live in my regular stash, such as these solid paper pads that I got. So this is just oranges, gray, and black and white, so nothing crazy, but I do have some more pieces like this that are more staples, but just in a Halloween collection versus actually being super Halloween themed. But that is all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick collection tour. If you'd like to see my Halloween stamps, I can do a separate video on that because I'd hope to be using those throughout the month as well because, again, cards, I want to do maybe some home decor. I did decorate a tiny bit for Halloween, and I put that over on Patreon. It's just one thing, but actually two things, I guess. But if you guys are interested in seeing decorations and stuff, that'll be over there. And more of my day-to-day life. I could not film at Halloween Horror Nights. There, you can't film in the houses. You're not supposed to film the actors because they're doing their job. But it was a ton of fun. And again, I'm posting pictures of that over on Instagram. And you guys can check it out there if you're interested. And I'll have that link down below in case you guys are looking forward to seeing that. But let me know what you think about Halloween in the comments down below. I'm always curious. Some people are all for it, and some people are like a little bit, not the scary stuff, but the cute spoopy stuff, which I'm kind of in that realm. I'm not too into the spooky, but I do love things like paranormal stories. So that's kind of like one thing that's sort of spooky all year round for me. But other than that, that is my kit for the month. Tons of fun stuff, and again, hoping to make a little bit of a dent in it with the cards I want to make, with the mini album I want to make for my Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and just all the fun stuff to come. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course leave me a comment down below if you're interested in seeing something specific with these supplies. If you do need ideas for Halloween cards, I could do those next week so you have time to make them and send them out. But again, I'd love to know your ideas in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in. I'll have all the other wonderful How to Kill a Kit with Style participants linked down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye, guys.